it shows that the private security guard is a male-dominated occupation. Majority of the guards belong to young age group. More than 70% of the respondents come from below 40 years of age group. 1/5 of them, that is 20%, belong to the age group of 55.
1990, Group 4 established a collaboration with the Hungarian Ministry of Finance for the delivery of security services to government offices as well as commercial and industrial organizations. Securicor established the custodial services operation as part of its security division in response to a government decision to contract out selected prisoner services.
In total sample, only 3% of the guards were found illiterate. About 13% of them had education up to primary level, followed by 32% middle pass, 11% were 12th pass, 9% were graduates and other higher qualifications. The social composition of the security guards working in Delhi has a dominance of general category 54%, that is upper caste community, which comprises more than half of the total sample size. Another 27% was from other backward community, followed by 13% scheduled castes and 2% scheduled tribes.
Security business. 1996, Group 4 started a joint venture with British Gas to provide meter reading services to more than 19 million customers in the United Kingdom and established Act2Read for this purpose. FARC acquired the security operator Partena Security in Sweden and the safety operator Falcon in Norway. 2006, G4S wins Human Resources Excellence Award for the Best Executive Development Program. G4S India recruits its 100,000 employees.
Thank you. You just move it.
Yeah, you can go this way. रस्सी कहाँ रखी है? इसे इस हमाम में हम सब नंगे हैं और ये हमाम है यहाँ। Thank you.